Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to do the pull-ups or chin-ups. Whichever way, it's just the same thing, but pull-ups is when your grip is over grip and chin-up is when you are doing the under grip. But majorly you're just working on the almost the same muscles. Today is pull-ups for the beginners. I'm going to take you through how you'll develop your muscles until now you are able to do 3, 4, up to 10 pull-ups, because I know of so many people who are unable even to do just a single pull-up. Pull-up is one of the best exercise for your upper body because it's a compound exercise targeting so many muscles at a go. So without wasting more time, let's go and start doing the pull-ups. Our first exercise for the beginners, it's going to be like the way I'm demonstrating. So you're going to grab the bar with your two hands, then you're trying to let yourself and see if you want to fall, then you pull yourself towards the bar until your chest touches the bar and you repeat for reps. I know most of you wants to laugh, but it looks so easy. But for those who haven't done a single one and they feel it so hard, you start by this one and you can do maybe 3 sets of 50 reps. Our second exercise for the beginners is going to be like the way I'm demonstrating. So for this one, you can grab like 2 bars, 2 parallel bars, or maybe ropes or anything that you can maybe have. Then you make sure you are in a slanting way. Then you let yourself as if you want to fall, and then you come back to the to a standing position. If you see it's a bit easy, you can do it more by making yourself slanting even more, as if you want to lie on your back flat on the ground. Then still do the same. It will be a bit intense compared to the first one. So you can do them for like as many reps as you can until you start feeling the impact on your muscles.
Like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.
Hang and pause. This is a third exercise. Yeah, this one, it just gives you the ability to be able to grab. It's for your grip, so to grab the bar and hold it, and also just to put your muscles under tension but you're not doing anything. So it's just grip, because grip is very important when you are doing the pull-ups.
I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold.
Our next exercise, now I think your muscles are trying to get that strength. So it is the eccentric or the negative. What are you going to do? You're going to put something like a box or a chair. So you're going to climb on it, then you come down slowly. Then go back and climb the chair and come down slowly. This is called the negative or the eccentric, because because it's so difficult for you to pull yourself up against the pull of gravity. So you're starting to just climb on top of the chair, then you come down slowly. It's called the negative or the eccentric. It also gives you that chance to develop your muscles slowly.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. I'm out of control. I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen. Dripping like gold, you got me so wild.
We also have the halves or the partials. Yeah, this one also helps you now because you are now developing some muscles. Maybe this is the 3rd week. Your muscles are at least in a good way, and also your grip is good. So you're just going to do halves because you still don't have that enough strength to pull yourself up to the top. So you can just be doing halves until where you feel you cannot go anymore and come down slowly. So after doing the partials, you are now at what we call the intermediate stage. You are no longer a beginner. Now you are in the middle class. So you are able at least to do 5 to 10 reps on your own without any support.
Dripping like gold, you got me so wild. Dripping like gold, I'm a queen, I'm a queen, I'm a queen.